Breaking news. Monica Lewinsky is pregnant by Trump. Le Monde. Oui, Le Monde. Parce que j'ai une certaine façon de vendre les journaux.
I have a certain way of selling newspapers. I try to create jokes so people laugh, I try to be positive, and I can create a certain atmosphere. The joy of life is what we call it. I make people laugh, I make them have a good time. I try to get into people's hearts, not in their pockets.
Et en plus, je vis dans le cœur des gens, pas dans les poches. Breaking news. Let's go. Down. Bonjour. Le Monde. Je ne vends pas beaucoup de journaux, je vends...
I really don't sell many papers. I sell about 20 copies of Le Monde in 8 hours. You need about 8 hours to sell about 20 copies of Le Monde. That's because of digital. Everything is digital now. People don't buy many newspapers, but I still have some clients, some regular ones who still buy Le Monde.
Quelques habitués qui m'achètent encore Le Monde. Merci. Oh, avec les enfants et tout, magnifique. Oh là là, toute la famille.
C'est un incontournable, on lui achète Le Monde.
Ali is an institution. I buy Le Monde from him every day. In fact, we do a little more than buy Le Monde from him. We have coffee with him. Sometimes we have lunch with him, as we're doing today. We're eating pancakes. If Ali didn't exist, Saint-Germain-des-Prés wouldn't be Saint-Germain-des-Prés.
Saint-Germain-des-Prés ne serait pas Saint-Germain-des-Prés.
Le Monde.